Looking for the best lawn mowers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Black & Decker BEMW 472BH. Easy-to-use electric lawn mower. The Black & Decker BEMW 472BH electric lawn mower is designed for ease of use. It has a comfort grip handle, making it easy to maneuver. This 10-amp, 15-inch mower is lightweight and comes with a wing blade that improves clipping collection by 30%, ensuring a cleaner lawn. One of its best features is the push-button start, which eliminates the need for pull starts, making it more convenient. It also offers 6 height adjustments, ranging from 1 inch to 3 inches, giving you precise control over your lawn's cut. The rugged wheel treads help handle thick grass, making it easier to move across different terrains. The mower feels sturdy and durable, making it reliable for regular use. Overall, the Black & Decker BEMW 472BH offers efficient cutting and is user-friendly, making it a great choice for small to medium-sized lawns. Number 4. Lawnmaster 20 VMWGT. The Lawnmaster mower stands out for its efficient cutting and trimming capabilities. This 24-volt max combo kit includes a 13 inches lawn mower and a 10 inches grass trimmer, both powered by the same battery system, which simplifies maintenance and storage. The mower operates at a speed of 3,700 RPM, ensuring clean cuts, and the trimmer at 9,200 revolutions per minute, which is effective for precise edging and trimming. The mower features 5 adjustable cutting heights, which is versatile for different lawn preferences. Both tools have foldable handles, enhancing portability and storage convenience. The design is compact, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Durability is supported by the rust-resistant deck on the mower. Overall, this combo kit offers a practical solution for routine lawn care, emphasizing ease of use and efficient performance. Number 3. EGO Power Plus LM2135 SP. The EGO Power Plus lawn mower impresses with its powerful 56V EGO lithium battery, providing a gas-like performance without the emissions. Its self-propelled feature with variable speed control enhances maneuverability, making lawn care less strenuous. The 21 inches cutting deck and select cut multi-blade system offer versatility, allowing for efficient mulching, bagging, or side discharge. The high-efficiency brushless motor not only delivers a reliable cut, but also extends the tool's life. With a 60-minute runtime on a single charge, it covers significant ground, and the rapid charger ensures minimal downtime. The mower's weather-resistant construction and foldable design for compact storage demonstrate thoughtful engineering. Overall, the EGO lawn mower combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it a durable and efficient choice for maintaining a pristine lawn. Number 2. Greenworks 255022. The Greenworks 255022 lawn mower excels with its powerful 12-amp motor, making it highly efficient for medium-sized lawns. This electric mower offers a 20 inches cutting deck that enhances its cutting efficiency and reduces the time spent on lawn maintenance. Its 3-in-1 feature, which includes mulching, side discharge, and rear bagging, provides versatility depending on the lawn care needs. The mower is designed with a durable steel deck that stands up well to wear and tear, ensuring longevity. Users will find the 7-position height adjustment extremely useful, allowing for the perfect cut across various grass types and conditions. The push start button adds to its ease of use, eliminating the hassle of a pull cord. Its compact design and folding handles make it easy to store, which is a bonus for those with limited space. Overall, the Greenworks 255022 combines robust performance with user-friendly features and a durable design. Number 1. Works WG779. The Works 40-volt cordless lawn mower excels in its compact and lightweight design, making it ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. Powered by 20-volt 4A batteries, it offers nearly an hour of mowing time on eco mode, which is quite efficient for its class. The mower features IntelliCut technology that adjusts power to cope with tougher grass, ensuring consistent performance without bogging down. Its 14 inches cutting width and ability to mulch or collect grass provide versatility, while the one-touch height adjustment lever simplifies operation. The foldable handle and upright storage capability saves space, enhancing its appeal for those with limited storage. However, it's not self-propelling, which might be a drawback for some. Overall, the Works WG779 combines functionality and convenience, making it a practical choice for routine lawn care. So, that sums up my top 5 lawnmowers. I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.